Well, how are you doing? This is going to be a very short video just on a very short and depiction of how the horizon works. That's all it is. I shouldn't really have to make this, but there is people on our opposing side who just don't seem to understand this simplistic concept. They seem to still want to claim that it's a geometric location until they're cornered on it, and then they start trying to claim refraction, which destroys their claim of geometry completely. But anyway, they don't seem to get that. They just keep on they just keep on parroting out the same nonsense. They're a pretty sad group. But either way, let's just put it all to bed. So this off orange line here, this is your oil line. This is the water line. So your oil line could be in a boat or it could be standing at the shore, okay, looking out across the ocean. So as you look out due to distance, sorry, your oil line will appear to meet with the water line, as you can see. Now, let's just say your oil line is higher. Let's say this is a higher oil line. You're standing at a higher elevation above the sea level, above sea level. You're looking on a hill or whatever. When you go higher, you have a greater angle, so you can see further. Now, technically, you can see further as per your viewer height from a lower elevation, but that's something I'll go into in a later video. But when you go higher, you do see further, right? So as you go higher, you can see further, but it always does still appear to amalgamate in the distance. So you have your oil line close to sea level, amalgamating with sea level. Here you have your oil line higher than that again, appearing to amalgamate with sea level. And here you have the blue line, then it could be a cloud. So it's cloud level appearing to amalgamate. And there you have here this green line. This is, let's say, an airplane, and it's appearing to amalgamate. Here you have this orange line, which would be like maybe the sun, and that's appearing to amalgamate. And here you have up at the top something like a star, and that's appearing to amalgamate. There you go. That's an horizon. If everything had this one line, this one color, that's what it end up looking like. That's all it is. It's just optical. It's just an optical phenomenon. That's all it is. Everything amalgamates. That's why your oil line will amalgamate easily, very fast with the sea horizon because it's very close to it. It takes a little bit more distance when you go higher, but you can see a bit further, so that amalgamates. A cloud will appear. Watch, this is going to be just like a cloud. Oh yeah, I'll just bring it up. So, as you can see, just like a cloud going over the top here, going into the horizon. An airplane going into the horizon. The sun going into the horizon. Let's just say a star going into the horizon. Nothing to it. That's all it is. I don't see what the problem is. I mean, 7 years in, and 8 years for some people, and our opposition don't understand this. It couldn't be any simpler. I mean, any one of them can download this software and use it and see it happening just for themselves. There's nothing to it. It all just amalgamates. Look, it's all amalgamating. It's all amalgamating. It's all amalgamating. No problems. Simple stuff. Thank you.